Hello everyone, today's lesson is 3.3 on adding and subtracting mixed fractions. Alright, let's talk about the mixed number. As you remember, a mixed number is the sum of a whole number and a fraction. Okay? Make sure you write this down in your notes. For example, mixed number could be 1 and 2/3, 3 and 4/5, okay? So, sum of a whole number and a fraction. Alright, knowing that, let's take a look at how we can add two mixed numbers with the same denominator, okay? And it's 5 and 5. First, we need to add whole numbers. In this case, it's 2 plus 1. We get 3. Then we add fractions. 3/5 plus 4/5, we get 7/5. Okay? Let's rewrite it as the sum of a whole number 3 and the fraction 7/5. And we get 3 plus 7/5. Okay? We need to rewrite this improper fraction as the mixed fraction. So we get 1 and 2/5. At this point, all you have to do is just add two whole numbers, 3 plus 1, and a fraction, and we get 4 and 2/5. Okay? Here's the problem. You need to try it on your own. So you might want to pause the video. Alright, welcome back. If you try this problem on your own, this is what you should have got as your answer. 3 and 11, 12. Okay? Alright. Mixed fractions might have a different denominator. So what do we do when we have to add mixed numbers with a different denominator? You remember, we need to make sure we come up with the LCD, the least common denominator. And in this case, it would be between 2 and 3. So the least common denominator would be 6. So my fraction, 5 and 1/2, will turn into, that means I have to multiply by 3, will turn into 3/6. And my fraction 3 and 2/3 will turn into 3 multiplied by 2 will turn into 3 and 4/6. Now, as you remember from the previous step, we need to add the whole numbers. We get 8. Then we add the fractions. 3/6 plus 4/6, we get 7/6. Rewrite this as the sum of the whole number and the fraction, so it's 8 plus 7/6. Improper fraction 7/6 we need to turn into the mixed number. So now we have 8 plus 1 and 1/6. Add them up, and we get 9 and 1/6. Alright? Here's another problem you need to try it on your own. You might want to pause the video. Alright, welcome back. If you try this problem on your own, I hope you got 4 and 8/15. Alright, let's take a look at what we need to do when we have two mixed fractions with a different denominator. Sometimes you might want to rename one of your numbers before subtracting. For example, let's take a look at this fraction, 6 and 1/4. Let's rename this fraction. Well, let's take a look at what this fraction might look like. 6 and 1/4 would look like 5 plus 1 and 1/4. We can take the mixed number and turn into improper fraction, so we get 5 plus 5/4. of a fraction. When we add them up, we'll get 5 and 5/4 fraction, okay? So this is how we rename this fraction 6 and 1/4 into 5 and 5/4. Okay, this actually will simplify our subtracting method. Now we have 5 and 5/4. We're subtracting 4 and 3/8. Okay. I see that I have a different denominators. My least common denominator for 4 and 8 would be 8. So I need to rewrite this fraction with the common denominator of 8. So this would look like this. 5, and meaning I need to multiply by this fraction by 2. So that leaves me with 5 and 10, 8 minus 4 and 3/8. Subtract the whole numbers, 5 minus 4, and we get 1. And then subtract the fractions, 10/8 minus 3/8, and I get 7/8. Okay? Alright, here's one more problem. You need to try it on your own. Pause the video. You need to. Alright, welcome back. You try this problem on your own, and this is what you should have got. 1 and 9/10. Okay? Alright, if you have any questions, please make sure you mention them the next day in class. And I hope you'll have a good day. Bye.